The 1928 Chevrolet Gypsy Wagon is one of the most unusual vintage motorhomes ever created. It combines early truck engineering, handcrafted woodworking, and modern mechanical upgrades. Its story begins in the late 1920s and continues into modern collector culture. The vehicle started life as a 1928 Chevrolet one-ton utility truck, introduced during a period when commercial trucks were becoming essential to American industry. For its time, the truck represented a step forward in safety and affordability. It was among the first trucks in its class to feature standard front brakes, improving stopping performance compared with earlier designs. Chevrolet also equipped it with mechanical four-wheel drum brakes and a 4-speed manual gearbox, making it practical for hauling goods and tools. Originally powered by a small 4-cylinder engine producing roughly 35 horsepower, the truck was reliable but limited in strength. In its stock form, it was intended for light commercial work rather than heavy residential structures. However, decades later, this modest work truck would be transformed into something extraordinary. At an unknown point in its history, the truck underwent a major custom rebuild that turned it into a rolling motorhome known as the Gypsy Wagon. This process included widening parts of the structure and replacing outdated mechanical systems with modern components. The original 4-cylinder engine was removed and replaced with a carbureted 4.3-liter V6 engine paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This upgrade significantly increased power and drivability, allowing the vehicle to carry the heavy wooden coach body. The chassis was strengthened using a 3/4-ton Chevrolet front axle and a semi-floating rear axle from a Ford F-250. Rack and pinion steering and power brakes were added, giving the vehicle handling and stopping ability closer to modern standards. These upgrades were necessary because the custom-built motorhome body is extremely heavy. The defining feature of the Gypsy Wagon is its hand-built coach body, made almost entirely from solid red oak. The exterior structure includes red oak panels, carved decorative elements, and a copper roof that develops a natural patina over time. Antique buggy-style lantern lights decorate the rear, while custom stained glass turn signals add both function and visual identity. One of the most remarkable details is the use of 21 stained glass windows of different shapes and sizes. Some are round windows placed in the cab area, while others are square or rectangular along the sides. A large stained glass panel is built into the rear Dutch-style door. When sunlight passes through these windows, the interior fills with colorful patterns. Inside, red oak flooring and cabinetry continue the handcrafted theme. The dashboard is walnut, adding another layer of fine woodworking. The kitchen area includes a wooden sink supplied by a 30-gallon freshwater tank, a propane stove and oven, and an AC/DC-powered refrigerator. A leather-covered bench provides seating and converts into dining space, while storage compartments are built beneath seating surfaces. At the rear, an east-to-west double bed provides sleeping space. Despite the vintage look, the motorhome includes practical electrical features such as dual batteries, 12-volt lighting, and modern electrical sockets. The Gypsy Wagon became widely known after entering the collection of Rick Truorgy, a respected automotive enthusiast and collector. He displayed the vehicle at the Muscle Car City Museum, where it became one of the most visually striking pieces in a collection of more than 200 vehicles. In 2021, the museum collection was sold at auction by Mecum auctions. During that sale, the Gypsy Wagon sold for $51,700. After only limited use, less than 100 additional miles, it was scheduled to return to auction again at a 2026 Mecum event in Houston. Today, the 1928 Chevrolet Gypsy Wagon stands as a rare example of functional automotive art. It represents the combination of early 20th century truck engineering and meticulous handcrafted woodworking. While it lacks some modern conveniences, such as a bathroom or advanced climate systems, its value lies in craftsmanship and originality rather than speed or comfort. Collectors and enthusiasts view the Gypsy Wagon not only as a motorhome, but also as a historic custom creation. It demonstrates how a simple commercial truck from the 1920s evolved into a rolling work of art that still attracts attention nearly a century after its original construction.